We're back, fellow knife enthusiasts. Today we'll be talking about the QSP Eagle Karambit style knife. Let's give you first of all, it comes in this box here. We'll give you a close-up of the knife. That way you can know what we're talking about. Let's go ahead and give you the specs before we show you how this knife performs. The Eagle is 8 inches overall. Closed length is 5.375. The blade is 3.125. Of course, it's a hawkbill style blade. Weight is 5.2 ounce. Has a pocket clip, which is not reversible, so it's right hand, tip up carry. It's a liner lock. Comes in black, blue, and this black and white G10. The blade is D2. It has some jimping here and some recessed jimping here. Overall, it feels pretty good in your hand. You can see here it has a nice cutout for your pinky. And then your other two fingers rest nicely over the clip without it getting in the way. I guess depending on the size of your hand. So it's pretty easy to get a grip on. It is a flipper. Very smooth opening. Of course, it opens on ceramic ball bearing. Has a closed chassis. See the back spacer here. Fills in the two sides of the scales. Has a nice karambit ring. Seems pretty durable. It's hard to show to you like that, so we'll turn it around this way. This one has the coated top half of the blade. The blue one also comes in the stainless. Well, I guess the satin, not the stainless, would be a good term. Let's go ahead and show you how the QSP Eagle cuts. I'm going to hold it the non-traditional way to show you how to cut. So you can see there, it cuts pretty smooth, even though that's not really what it's designed for. It's going to have a, let's go ahead and change up to the other one. It's going to have an extremely sharp tip. Oh my goodness. Not extremely sharp, ridiculously sharp, as I will hold this with 2 fingers. And you can see it doesn't take any pressure to cut right on through that cardboard. Let's grab another piece, flip it around, and we'll show you how it cuts nicely if you come in to cut in that manner, in the traditional way of holding it. We've already cut through the whole thing, so tore that up pretty quickly. So overall, I really like this style of karambit. This is one of the nicer folding karambits that I have seen. Normally you don't get D2 steel, or it's some higher end steel like you would find with Bastianelli or Fox. But for a nice, under $50 folder, D2. It's also lighter. They have milled the liner on both sides. It has circles on the inside, and then it has large cutout squares on the non-frame lock side. That really lightens it up. I mean, I know it's 5 ounces, but it doesn't really even feel that heavy. Nice attention to detail. Really like that. Alright, so once again, this is the QSP Eagle. If you're watching us on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We do these 5-minute reviews, a weekly show, post tons of knife content. More knife content than you'll want to see in a week. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can watch our show, our reviews, tons of stuff there also. And we also do giveaways every week. On that note, this is the QSP Eagle in D2. I am C with Atlantic Knife. Signing off.